Hi, in today's video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use a drill. This is some people call them a power drill, others call them a cordless drill. Cordless because it's battery powered. Just shove the battery on, and then you use your directional switch, engage that in one way. Now we have power. The directional switch is almost always right next to your trigger. So push in that way, and now it's going to go in the drilling rotation. Then you simply push it this way, and that's to reverse out of whatever you're working on. Another feature that almost all cordless drills have is right here, your speed setting. This one just labeled as a 1 or a 2. 2 is your high gear. So you can see number 2 goes a lot faster. The next thing to go over in your drill is this part, the hole. That's called the chock. And this black piece here rotates one way or the other, then moves this 3-jaw chock. That's the official name of it. That moves that in and out. What those 3 jaws do is grabs your round drill bit. So we open that up, slide that in, now we can tighten it. Once you get a little bit more comfortable with the drill itself, you can use your reverse lever, loosen it until it's open enough to shove one of these in, switch it over to tighten, and tighten. Our next feature that we're going to talk about is this torque setting here. This one has numbers ranging from a 1 to a 14, and that is the amount of torque that's applied to your drill bit. Or if you're using like one of these little bits for a screw. For drill bits, you're going to want to rotate that all the way around until it looks like the little drill. This one has an extra setting. If you go one more, that has a little hammer. That hammer setting is if you're using drill bits going into masonry. We currently have our setting there at 1. So we're going to drill in, and you'll notice I'm going to try to hold the drill at a 90-degree angle to whatever I'm going into. You're also going to want to do that if you're using drill bits. Need another piece of wood. Okay, that clicking noise is maxing out our depth at setting 1. Meaning, if I needed to drill in a bunch of screws and leave them stick out like that, I would keep it at level 1, and I can go down the line with them. Now, if we want to go further in and get this to sit all the way down, crank this up a little bit. You could do it incrementally or make a jump. We'll try number 3. Ooh. All right, let's try 7. Right. 7 is a little too aggressive. That's what happens if you go a little too aggressive with it. It'll sink the screw right down into the wood. I hope this little explanation helped and showed you what you needed to know about the drill. If not, I'm also going to post a much longer video where I go a little more in depth with everything, including explaining some of the different ends of your drill bits. So if you're interested, I'll put that in the description and hope that you check it out. If not, we'll see you next time.